So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Subex Share. So we know after many days we are discussing about this particular stock because the stock itself was traveling in a complete range. So it was taking support, again it was facing resistance. So complete swing movement was observed in the stock. So many people had questions related to technicals. So we'll try to find out what would be the next possible levels that we need to watch out, and also we'll try to compare the day-to-day wise deliveries so that we will also have a clear clarity. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so if we try to compare the day-to-day wise deliveries in Subex, we can see on 25th October, 35.1% deliveries were observed and the stock has corrected around 3.1%. So if you see the last 5 to 6 sessions itself, so deliveries are consistent, but the stock was fluctuating in a upside downside momentum. So this is basically, we know why Subex has entered into that particular range because of the quarter result. So we know the June ended result, the company significantly the profit and revenues have slightly decreased. So that was one of the reason why the stock was completely struck in a range. So even though the company has some very positive updates fundamentally, so technically the stock is, as I told, it is completely in a sideways manner. So we'll discuss once we go to technical charts what is the support and what is the resistance. So clearly we'll try to discuss that. So for time being, you can observe that the delivery percentage is pretty good and the stock is not showing any high volatility. So that is either strong upside, in the same way neither strong downside. So these two things are not happening. So maximum it is going to an extent of 3%, and the same way the downfall is also in that sort of manner. So quickly let's go to charts and we'll see all the major regions. Okay, so if we see the weekly chart and if you see the today's closing, it is around 51.30, almost 0.75 rupees the stock has given upside momentum. So once we see the chart, so as I was telling, it is completely in a range. You can see the range clearly. So the bottom is coming around 50 rupees. So maximum it is not going below that. And you can see since let's say 8 to 9 weeks completely the stock was struck in this particular range itself. So you need to be very patient because the lower side is almost around 50 rupees. So that is a strong region. And if you see the upside level is around 58. So 58 is the resistance and you can take 60 as a sure shot confirmation for the upside momentum, and 50 has a strong support. So this is one range. So since it is at a very strong support, so swing traders who want to give a try, you can watch this, keeping stop loss of 50 for swing trading for the targets of 58 plus. Okay, so these can be the near term levels for short term. So for long term confirmation, the stock, as I told, should cross the 58 rupees level with very good sign and breakout should be clearly visible. So then only we can confirm the uptrend. And money flow, almost it has come to oversold. 32 is the region where the stock is currently moving. So as I told, swing bottom, the stock is present. So you can watch out with 50 as a stop loss. Okay, so 50 or 49. So don't keep exact stop loss. So go slightly down so that you can also be cautious where stop loss hunting. To avoid stop loss hunting, you can keep a little bit down, but don't go beyond 47, 46. So maximum try to observe till 48. So this is for swing, and long term, as I told, it should give a very good positive breakout in the upside direction. So let's even try to discuss on daily chart. Okay, so moving further towards the daily chart. So here also you can see the same thing. Okay, where the stock is currently being struck, and whatever the support we have discussed, same levels will be applied here also. The same swing bottom, as well as that is only going to be the swing high. So as I told, 58, 60 is going to be very important. So watch these levels clearly. So again, if it gives any strong momentum, again I'll try to update the levels as well. and in daily chart the money flow is significantly in 56. So buying is present, so at each and every support buying is happening, but it is not able to give the breakout. It is going to the resistance, coming down, again taking the support. So whatever the zigzag movement is observed in the stock, so that is taking a little bit of time significantly. So once the quarter results also declared, so after that if positive results are there, so obviously it will give some upside move. So stay patiently. Any queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram id is stocks diary yt. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.